Good morning, students. I'm your Ranjana ma'am back here with the maths lessons of class 4 chapter 3 subtraction. Students, in my earlier video, I gave you 6 word problems. Today, take out your classwork copy. We will do from question number 7. I told you not to copy the question. You will write only the solution. You look at the question. Pramod bought a bicycle and a helmet for rupees 5,795. The bicycle cost him rupees 4,973. What was the cost of the helmet? How do you find out? The cost of a bicycle and a helmet? Solution, you write. Cost of a bicycle and a helmet equal to rupees 5,795. See? A bicycle and a helmet together cost rupees 5,795. Now cost of the bicycle is 4,973. See, the bicycle cost him rupees 4,973. Therefore, cost of the helmet equal to, how do you find out? By subtraction. Subtract the ones, 5 minus 3, 2 ones. Subtract the tens, 9 minus 7, 2 tens. Now, in the hundreds place, 9 is greater than 7. You cannot subtract a greater number from a smaller number. So you have to borrow 1,000. Now 5,000 changes to 4,000 and 1,000 you change it to 10 hundreds. 10 plus 7, 1,700. 17 minus 9, 800. And 4,000 minus 4,000 is 0. Don't write 0 in the beginning. So the cost of the helmet is rupees 822. Then you will write the answer in the statement form. The helmet cost rupees 822. Is it clear to you, students? I am repeating. Cost of a bicycle and a helmet rupees 5,795. Cost of the bicycle equal to rupees 4,973. Therefore, cost of the helmet equal to rupees 822. The helmet cost rupees 822. Students, have you written the solution? I hope so. Now let us look at question number 8. By how much is 3,749 greater than 2,954? What you have to do? You have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So write the greater number on top, 3,749 minus 2,954. First you subtract the ones, 9 minus 4, 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones column. In the tens column, 5 is greater than 4. So you have to borrow 100. 700 becomes 600 and 100 change it to 10 tens. Now 10 plus 4 is 14 tens. 14 minus 5 is 9 tens. Write 9 in the tens column. Now in the hundreds column, 9 is greater than 6. So you have to borrow 1,000. Here is 3,000. You take away 1,000. It becomes 2,000. And 1,000 you change it to 10 hundreds. 10 plus 6, 1600. 16 minus 9 is 700. And 2000 minus 2000, 0. Don't write anything. Don't write a 0 in the beginning. So your answer, 3,749 is greater than 2,954 by 795. What you will do? You will write the bigger number on top, 3,749. You will write the smaller number below, 2,954. Then you subtract, you get 795. Then you write the answer, 3,749 is greater than 2,954 by 795. You have written it? Put an ending line after it. Now look at the next question. Ramu had to travel 7,849 kilometers. He travelled 5,672 kilometers by aeroplane and the rest by train. What distance did he travel by train? Look at the solution. Total distance traveled by Ramu. How many kilometers did he travel? 7,849. 7,849 kilometers he travelled. And distance travelled by aeroplane, 5,672. He did travel 5,672 kilometers by aeroplane. Therefore, distance travelled by train, how do you find out? By subtracting. Subtract the ones. 9 minus 2, 7 ones. Write 7 in the ones column. In the tens column, 7 is greater than 4. So you borrow 100. This becomes 700, and 100 you change it to 10 tens. 10 plus 4, 14 tens. 14 minus 7 is 7 tens. Write 7 in the tens column. Now in the hundreds column, 7 minus 6, 1. Write here 1. Then 1000, 7 minus 5, 2000. So the answer is Ramu travelled 2177 km by train. Clear? I am repeating. Total distance travelled by Ramu 7849 kilometers. Distance travelled by aeroplane 5672 kilometers. Therefore, distance travelled by train equal to 2177 kilometers. Answer: Ramu travelled 2177 kilometers by train. Done it, students? I hope so. Now, let us go to the next question. A train can hold 2348 people. On Sunday, 1679 people travelled by the train. How many more could have travelled in the train? So, look at the solution. Number of people a train can hold 2348. Number of people 2348. Number of people travelled on Sunday 1679. Therefore, number of people train could hold more equal to, you subtract. 8 becomes 18 because 9 is greater than 8. You borrow 1 10, change it to 10 ones. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 9, 9 ones. Now, here this becomes 3 tens. 7 is greater than 3. So, you take 100, change it to 10 tens. 10 plus 3, 13 10. 13 minus 7, 6 tens. Write 6 in the tens column. In the hundreds column, now 6 is greater than 200. So, you take 1 from the thousands column. Change it to 1000. 10 plus 2, 1200. 12 minus 6, it will be 600. Minus 6, 600. And here is 1 minus 1, 0, 1000. Don't write 0 here. So, your answer 669 people could have travelled by the train. I am repeating, number of people a train can hold 2348. Number of people travelled on Sunday 1679. Therefore, number of people train could hold more 669. Answer: 669 people could have travelled by the train. I hope this much is clear to you. Number 11. By how much is 879 less than 2068? What you do? You subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 8 is smaller than 9. Borrow 1 10. Change it to 10 ones. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 9, 9 ones. Now 6 becomes 5 tens. Borrow 100. There is 0 hundred. So borrow from 1000. 2000 becomes 1000. 1000 change it to 10 hundreds. From 10 hundred you take away 100. This becomes 900. So 100 you change it to 10 tens. 10 plus 5, 15 tens. 15 minus 7, 8 tens. 9 minus 8, 100, and 1 bring it down. So 879 is less than 2068 by 1189. I am repeating, 2068 minus 879 equal to 1189. 879 is less than 2068 by 1189. I hope now you can do all the sums. So much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.